All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you another technique for inviting people to follow your page. And this is almost one that you can do a little bit more passively. Now, this technique involves a function on LinkedIn that's called your away message. This feature is only available to LinkedIn Premium members. So if you're a basic free account on LinkedIn, unfortunately, you won't be able to do it at this time. But if you ever do upgrade to Business Premium or Sales Navigator or any of those paid level, you'll be able to do so. So if you do have Premium or Sales Navigator, what you can do is go into your messaging inbox at LinkedIn. I'm going to click on messaging at the top here. And you're going to see right underneath where it says search for message, it will say away message. And if you click on, the first time I think it says set message, and after that it'll say update, okay? So you're going to go in here, put a start date and an end date, and it has to be as of today, and then you can put it for additional days in the future. And you can see my latest message, I was trying to push people to one of my recent posts. And what I'm going to do in here instead is I'm going to say thanks for your message. It's almost like an auto reply, right? It's going to say, thanks for your message. I'll try to reply in the next 1 to 2 days. And then I'm going to put some additional text in here to drive people to follow my company page. And what this will read is, you may also wish to consider following my LinkedIn company page for additional LinkedIn strategy tips. And then I'm putting my page link in here. I'm going to click on save. Now what will happen is anyone who's a first level connection who sends me a message, they're going to get this reply back as an automatic reply back to the message. So I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to see if I can have somebody message me real quick so you can see what this looks like, and then I'll start the video again. All right, so continuing along, what I did is I posted on Twitter and then I posted on Facebook, and I asked someone to send me a quick message saying test. And I told him I'd give him a shout out in the video, so I'm going to put Mark's link below. So what happened here is I set the away message in there, and I just had, I asked for a first level connection to message me, which Mark is. He sent me a quick message just saying test, and you can see now that my auto reply went back to him. It says, thanks for your message. I'll try to reply in the next 1 to 2 days. You may also wish to consider following my LinkedIn company page for additional LinkedIn strategy tips. So I'm serving up my company page on a silver platter, asking Mark to consider following the page, and he has done so. And I'm going to give him a shout out, and then I'm also going to send him a copy of this video so he can see the technique. Again, this is only a feature that is available to paid LinkedIn members using Premium or Sales Navigator, one of those services, but it can be a really effective way of subtly growing your page followers over time. You can see no effort on my part, right, once I set up that away message. So hopefully you enjoyed this tip. If you do have this set up on your profile, send me a message on LinkedIn and I will message you back, and I can see your away message in action.